I got nothing better to do, so I decided to like film outside. In fact, this is actually the first time ever you guys get to see see me filming outside. So here's pretty much like the aftermath of the whole blizzard thing. Kind of sucks where I live. I'm very glad I have power. Kind of funny I'm the only guy out here. Good thing nobody's yelling at me saying what am I doing. Hey young man, how are you doing out there? That bullshit. Oh crap, I almost slipped. Yeah, so I'm basically filming outside where I live. Again, I have no idea how very, well actually I take the back, I'm very lucky to have power. And we're very lucky. Kind of looks like Mr. Freeze for Captain Cold, or Killer Frost did this. I don't know what they're saying, but I'm pretty sure they're yelling at me. So I had nothing better to do, so I kind of decided, you know, just film here. And I'll see what happens. Hey guys, so here I am just filming outside where I live. Now this is a little bit different. I know it's been a while since I made another video. Okay, now I have a feeling that guy in the blue car is gonna come out and kick my ass, so I better move. Yeah, so it's been a while since I made another video since Kineticon, which I'm still editing the videos out. So this is a little bit different. So I'm kind of like filming about, like, you know, the whole blizzard. Now very fortunately for all of us, for the people where I live, we still got power. What the hell was that? So very fortunate for all of us, we still got power. And so apparently we're the lucky ones. So, you know, I was up like, you know, shoveling yesterday, the day before that, shoveling, and you know, the weirdest thing just happened. There was some truck got stuck, and the truck couldn't get out, so we had to like find a way how to dig this dig the truck out. And you know, the day before that, you know, my dad tried to get to work, and apparently he wasn't able to make it. So, you know, we had to find a way how to. Apparently his car got stuck. But then, unfortunately for all of us, you know, where I live, you know, because of snow, you know, we had to wait for somebody, you know, not give us a lift, but you know, shove our way back home. There's like still snow on the road. Headed down snow. The dead of winter. So, you know, I shut the camera off a few times because, you know, some cars was going by, and oh crap! Guess I got to shut the camera off again. What the hell, dude? This is actually the same car. Twice. Yeah, I have a feeling that guy's gonna get out of that car and kick my ass. Not that I'm afraid of this guy. You know, like personally, I like the snow. I mean, it's a nice scenery in the dead of winter. So, you know, it's most likely I'm going to edit this video. And I have made some other videos for yesterday. Well, I made some videos yesterday and some videos earlier today. And like, you know, it's crazy. What a crazy weekend. So I'm out here like filming because I have nothing better to do. Kind of cold out here. Now, right now I have nothing. Right now I don't know what I should do. Either walk way over there, or go over there. Now if I go over there, I have a feeling that guy's gonna pop up again. I think that guy goes to my school or something. Crap. That's a huge pile. It's almost like seeing that guy stalking me or something. So, you know, I'll keep you guys updated. You guys take the time to watch my videos. And, you know, subscribe soon. Well, I mean, please subscribe. Now, there's gonna be some updates or some changes. Now, I'm not gonna always make some, I'm not gonna always be making comic book videos. Action figure videos or comic book videos. I will be making, some video game reviews. Holy crap, it's the same car again. It's like seeing that car's jaws. Yeah, I have some very weird neighbors.